My favorite part about the robotics program is just the way we are able to learn the environment here, how we're such a great team and that everyone wants to be here and we all work together to achieve one goal. So this is an example of a project that we do here. We work in a team to design, build, construct, program, and make an instruction manual for these drones.
I have a few favorite parts about the robotics program. One of them is the environment. Everyone in this class wants to be here, and it makes a world of difference being in an environment where everyone has the same interests and the same desire to be here. After high school, I want to get a degree in mechanical engineering, and then after that I'd like to work on underwater drones.